Scaled Earth Quick Fix brought to you by mud in the newly cleaned cab. Today we're fixing a heel roll on a big blade for the D9 DXR2. As you can see, the linkage in the triangle is short, causing the blade to heel and you not to push anything. The 3D printed plate, 2 screws and 2 threaded inserts move the linkage forward about 17mm. The link is in the description below. Take out the 2 countersunk screws and the pin, and then remove the pieces. Melt threaded inserts into the plastic, or a nut into the backside if you don't have any threaded inserts. Before you add the plate, make sure you thread locker. The insert end goes to the front. Just a tiny drop, you want thread lock, not hydro lock. And your Loctited screws nipped up. Not super tight. Add the plate and screws to the top. Now add the arm and the pin, and then repeat on the other side. You can see the plate puts the arm in a forward position, so now it's beautiful square blade for all of your pushing needs.